Imagine waking up to find your business running smoothly overnight. Customers are being responded to, your products are getting discovered, and your workload is lighter. What if I told you that AI is making this a reality for women entrepreneurs in 2025? Hi, welcome to my channel. This is Samugumbi and we talk all things digital and how to be the best woman in your business. For my tribe, thank you for your support. Today we are diving deeper into how AI is leveling the playing field for women in business, helping us scale faster, work smarter, and thrive like never before. If you've ever felt like tech and AI are intimidating, sis, this video will change your mind. I've got you. Why do women entrepreneurs need AI now more than ever? Let's be real, sis. Being a woman in business is not always easy. We deal with funding challenges, balancing family and business, and often we don't have the right networks to grow. But AI is turning things around. Let me share with you some hard facts. Only 2% of venture capital goes to women-led startups. Women-led businesses face more hurdles accessing tech. And many women lack mentorship in digital industries. That is why I'm here as a digital coach. Get in touch. But here is the good news, sis. AI is changing the game. Instead of doing everything manually, women entrepreneurs are using AI to scale their businesses faster and smarter. I'm going to give you 3 AI tools every women entrepreneur should use right now. Number 1, AI for automating repetitive tasks. No more spending hours answering the same customer questions. AI chatbots like ManyChat and many others can respond to clients 24/7. They can book your appointments and even recommend products. This means more time for you to focus on your strategy and growth. Number 2, AI for marketing and social media growth. Are you struggling to create content? We've got AI tools like Jasper and Canva's AI copyright that can generate captions, blogs, and even add copy in seconds. This is a game changer for women running businesses with limited time, okay? Number 3, AI for smarter money management. Imagine having a personal finance assistant that tracks your cash flow, suggests ways to cut costs, and even predicts future revenue. Wouldn't you like that? Tools like QuickBooks AI help female entrepreneurs manage their business finances effortlessly. We love AI and adopting it, but subscribing is still left to us. So please, may I ask you to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Awesome. Now, let's look at one of the women that is winning with AI. Let me introduce you to Wadzanai, a mompreneur from Zimbabwe. She runs an online skincare business, but struggled with time between her kids, her home, and managing orders. She was overwhelmed. Then she started using AI-powered inventory and marketing tools. Now her business runs like a well-oiled machine, and she's even expanded to global customers. This is the power of AI, sis. Listen, my lady, AI is not here to replace us. It's here to help us work smarter. If you're ready to step into 2025 with confidence and take your business to the next level, start leveraging AI today. Let me know in the comments, have you used AI in your business? If not, what's holding you back? Let's chat, hey? And hey, my lady, it's been lovely having you. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and share it with another fellow boss lady. Okay, this is Samugumbi. Smiling is my trademark.